Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. It's so good to see your smiling faces. You're watching Prabjot Gill. I am a travel photographer, travel cinematographer, digital content creator and a lifestyle vlogger. And I am right now in Pulga Valley. As you can see, I'm right now deep in the forest. And I am here to make a review of this beautiful piece of lens that you see, 28-200 f2.8 to f5.6. Thanks to the people at Tamron who sent me this lens, and they wanted me to review this lens and give my opinions on how this could be the best travel lens out here. So today I'll be reviewing this lens and giving you 5 tips why 28-200 f2.8 to f5.6 is one of the best travel lens out there. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first point would be the wide to telephoto capability of this lens. The first and the foremost thought when I started using this lens is like the range, focal length it provides is just absolutely amazing. जैसे कि मैं बहुत travel करता हूँ, usually I am on the move. Travel एक film shoot करने के लिए I need a lot of elements that I like shoot. How I look at scenes is like जब कोई travel scene आप create कर रहे होते हो, so there are times जहाँ पे ना आपको अलग अलग चीज़ों को शूट करके, एलिमेंट शूट करके आपको एक ट्रैवल सीन क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई ट्राई टू शूट अ फॉरेस्ट और व्हेन आई ट्राई टू शूट एनीथिंग, आई ऑलवेज गो विथ, पहले मैं एक वाइड शॉट दूंगा जिससे यू गेट टू नो कि वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, एंड देन यू कीप गोइंग क्लोजर 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 एंड यू कीप शूटिंग डिफरेंट एंगल्स, जिससे एक एलिमेंट क्रिएट हो जाता है, एक फॉरेस्ट वाला फील आ जाता है. दिस लेंस प्रोवाइड्स मी विथ ऑल कैपेसिटी. इट हेल्प मी शूट वाइड एंगल while shooting 200 mm full focal length. So it is one of the most strongest points of this lens. The second point of this lens that I found absolutely great was the durability. मतलब when I was leaving for this trip, मुझे just trip से 2 दिन पहले lens मिला, and I knew that I am going into really harsh conditions जहाँ पे यहाँ पे पुलगा विलेज में टेम्परेचर -7 -8 हो जाता है रात को. So you have to stay close to the bonfire. But this lens has performed like a beast. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट दिया है लेंस ने. काफ़ी जगहों पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद there are chances कि लेंस इतने हार्श कंडीशन में एक्सट्रीम में परफॉर्म ना कर पाए, but I was absolutely blown away by the results. The third point would be the aperture variability of f2.8. As I was talking to the guys at Tamron, they told me this is the world's first super zoom lens with an f2.8 variability. So when we trekked to Rashol from Kasol, the stars were absolutely so clear to the naked eye. So मैंने अपना 28-200 setup किया and I started shooting the stars, and I'm going to show you some glimpses of the pictures that I shot which blew my mind, like the way this lens has performed. And with f2.8 aperture opening, I was like, I don't need to worry about the light because this camera with this lens can compensate really well. So a big thumbs up to Tamron for making such an amazing lens with such amazing aperture variability. So guys, the next point that I would like to highlight about this beautiful lens is the build quality. So whenever you are on the move, travel कर रहे हो आप, तो बहुत सारे conditions change होती रहती है बहुत fast. जैसे कि अभी हम you can see I'm in snow right now, but 2 hours down the line I'll be in a city, like a proper city. So उसमें क्या है ना, conditions बहुत quick change होती है. So you need a lens with a good build quality जो वो सब handle कर सके. So this lens has some amazing build quality. Plus one of the good part about this lens is, along with having a great build quality, it is very lightweight as well. So you don't realize कि आपके हाथ में एक zoom lens है which is lightweight, and it's very easy to carry because you need things which are very easy to carry during travel. So that would be my next point about the build quality of this lens. जो बीबार कोटिंग लेंस पे की गई है, that helps the camera to avoid lens flare. जो lens flare होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा distorted नहीं दिखते because of बीबार coating which is done. And the next would be the fluorine coating, that is जो फ्लोरीन कोटिंग की गई है on the frontal part of this lens, as you can see. यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन कोटिंग की गई है which helps the lens to be oil and dust free. So it helps you fight, the oil and dust which you are tend to accumulate on your travels. So that is one of the important points about this lens. And now moving on to the next point. The next point about this beautiful lens would be the macro shots capability of this lens. तो बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, ट्रैवल वीडियोस में ना मैक्रो शॉट्स बहुत एक अलग ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं इफ़ यू आर एबल टू यूज़ दो शॉट्स. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है ना, मैक्रो शॉट्स के लिए अलग से मैक्रो लेंसेज कैरी करने पड़ते हैं, विच बिकम्स अगेन अ हर्डल इन ट्रैवल. सो इसमें द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द मिनिमम फोकस डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द कैमरा, the lens and the object is very less, which helps you shoot good macro shots. So उससे क्या होगा ना, travel videography is all about adding elements to your video. What are the different kind of elements that you can provide in a video that someone who's watching your video makes them feel कि वो वहाँ पर present है. That's the, you give them a feeling that you are with them, they are with you. वैसा है. So वो एक feeling create करने के लिए elements create करना बहुत important है. And with this lens, the capacity to shoot macro shots is just incredible. It blows my mind. And that would be my 5 points why this lens, Tamron 20-200, is the best travel lens out there. I hope you guys like this video. I tried to shoot as much as possible. I tried to show you guys as realistic points as possible, and that's why I wanted to make this review while I am out in the wilderness, so that you guys know that I'm actually been using this lens. And thanks to Tamron once again for sending me this lens, and look forward to working with you guys more again. So until then, I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and you know what to do. Keep loving and keep smiling. Cheers.